Mr. Trabass, you try to swing off at me and miss. Trabass, you try to swing off at me and miss. Trabass, you try. Me I tell you off of experience.
Me I listen, man. Me I
Trabass,
listen.
if you swing off at me
and
miss.
Me dead.
And said so. And your job will left round here, so.
Me dead.
Trabass, he force. I mean, yes, so me I use liquor in the Trabass, yes, so. He force.
I got beat up your blood clot. That's why you have to have one life.
Last year never going well. New year, I'm still can't tell.
Yo, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls, another day, another vlog. So, we have some big news, big announcement for you now. So, remember me telling you, say some people there on the internet are call out about social media person, boxing thing. Look here.
I'll fight you. No Jamaican influencer would have say, yo, me I go in a ring and fight with Dale. Me not
You
believe.
don't think so?
You mad? Look for me. But me thump out your teeth.
I think somebody jump in the comments. Okay, so who you want to deal?
Which Jamaican content creator living in America right now feel like say
Burn up.
them can go in a ring with me and last 5 rounds
Or win.
and win?
Go see.
Me not see none of them.
Yeah, remember some people in that talk, you know. And I hears now me a call out man for box me. You see me? Finally, today, early in the morning, me and World Dog did up on TikTok. If you not follow my TikTok is official Trabass. So you can go upon that. Know why I'm live. Well, I'm a joke. In other news, yeah. Him actually brave up because today I'm birthday. World Dog, big up yourself for your birthday again. Him actually brave up today and say he want to box me. Pan live. You want to get a fair fight
No, that victim of that is not Travis, it's the next victim. No.
I mean I say alright cool. Me not fit. But me been want to fight him, so me not turn it down. Him come up with the day at the time and everything. So what I know, me go fight him Sunday, 4:30. I want boxing ring. Him say I go book a boxing ring. And me and him fight and thing. Me did just want to do it run around backyard, you know? Street getaway. But him want to do it around boxing ring. Now watch out. You see if I want boxing ring where we can get people for forward out, I go call him little after this car. I'll know me not call him yet for we talk about how we are structure that thing, you see me? Because we just a fight for fun, but if money can make, you see me? So, if the boxing place I go be able for people can forward and watch, me and Whitey man, only can forward and watch. We are making no pee and come watch we are figure it out, you see me? But everybody a link me now, because we post the flyer, I just post the flyer a while ago. Big up to the dog we make it. One youth of TikTok link me and say he want to build the flyer and beg me actually. So I just make him deal with it real quick. So I post the flyer. Everybody and their mother want to see that event here. You see me? So I feel like we got something going, guys. This is a big event that going to happen. Hopefully everything pull through and he run no back out. You see me? I hope him see that video here too. Because I know him going to call me on the day of the event and talk about, yo, oh, see him tag me in something, yeah? He look like him post it. Him tag me in something and said this Sunday. Alright, so it look like him a brave up. But anyway, them past couple of days I have to go do some jogging. Get my stamina up back, you see me? I can't even train and make you see me a back span the freaking vlog. Cause then him go see how me a forward. Look, me not use speed and kill hero. A punches me I use and kill hero. We are box, I forgot to tell you the rule. We are box in 3 minutes. Each minute 1 round. You see me? Cause 2 away, no fit, and we smoke a lot. I'm not gonna lie. So, I think in 3 minutes we can get out all of the energy we have for that time there. You see me? So, this should be interesting. I can't wait. You see me? But I go jog in them early morning now. Definitely I go jog and get my belly down because my belly kind of big right now. A Sunday, so by now on Sunday I must can do something and get my lungs clear and him something. You see me? But I'm not going to stay tuned anymore update me. I make up no know. Ding dong just tag me in or something. Alright, so it look like Me have to go come off 5 flag now, because I want to see what go on. Big up on yourself. So vlog girl, as I say, we there start out for the boxing match. We actually come look on a venue, right, so. But it kinda long in a way, why? The place kinda stretch, you see me? So we have to go see if we get that spotter. If we are going to use that spotter, we have to go get chair and everything there. But this is like one dance studio photo room, like, yes, so the ring would get put up, VIP here over there, so, and like chair and something with a set up here, so. But we'll see how that I go work out still, because we have a couple other places to look on. You see me? So I'm going to stay tuned. Vlog world, ladies and gentlemen, boys and girls. Stop the TV for me, babe. So me have something more to tell you now, right? When I see that video, I say, me a year ago box. Now today I try to call the man to arrange this whole thing. Yeah. I know something did not go fall through, you know. I know say, it may not go make. Like when I get this thing organized. I know. What go on right now, I call the man for money if you figure out if he might get the ring or we forget the place, so I see me go look already. Because we already know what we going to do and sort out or we sort out. But this nigga, no link me back. I one time hear from him today. When I call him, say, yo dog, me just arise. I mean, did I go video this now? Should have video everything, you know, step of the way, you know. Me just jump up a while ago from a little nap. Come here wait upon this nigga for make me know what I do, for pay the people and for the venue so we know what we are do. It look like that venue thing and I go work out. Cause it's late now. We should have been sending people them half of the money. I don't know what year they pan. I just call him in phone just a ring. He might go joke out this thing, yeah. Either we are going to end up fight in backyard or fight somewhere random where we're not going to be able to make it organized in a more professional way. I don't know. Might be because of last minute. But him fi just tell me yes or no if him get a place. Because he might tell me wait. You see me? And he might tell me wait. I want to go book the place so I know what to do. It a hold up my time, you know? I know right now me and Francina go out. Cause, we have like a little family dinner for go right now with her. So I go with her right now. And keep on up to date. But for now, today is Friday, and here still not link me, and we have a fight Sunday. So, I keep that video and drop it probably Friday. No, I drop it Saturday morning. So, while you not watch this, I Saturday morning. So, hopefully something change in another vlog, yeah, when we can tell you some good news. I him that I call me, I must him this I call me. Oh no, I'm sick. I'm sick. I'm. Yo? What on?
The place still out, the still about to be locked, but the still place still available. Check your number, I call the place, but I get the dog. But I have a number, but the place still out there.
So you want me just lock in the spot over here, sir?
Yeah, oh yeah, get your ring over there.
Alright, you're gone. We da go build a ring, dog. That's why me da try get a whole of you for a morning. You see me? Because we da go use rope and like bad after part where we da go fight. Because the place where me have to go get, me have to go pay money for use it. You see me? So we are going to get chair and them thing there. We are going to have a section where you can there with your people and me. But I want big room, you see me? But it's separated with curtain.
Oh.
Yeah, so we just are going to get some rope and sort it out. Build a ring, basically. You know nobody will want to fight before we fight.
So we can't get to, I wish comedian them live down here.
That me I say dog,
Niggas drive down on this blood clots.
Blood clot, Nigos and Udo.
Niggas and Deal.
Deal not mighty too soon, you know get what me I say too soon for one of them fly in right now. Tomorrow really a fight, you know. Tomorrow really a fight, you know, dog. One day left, you know.
No, you're trained for me now. I'm not trained for the blood.
Me not train here right now. If you turn on my camera and run me there and drink, dog.
Yo, I'm not trained for the blood clot.
So So yeah, well, what we do? We are gonna find people for fight. You wanna find one youth and me find a youth?
Yeah,
Like you have your one. Yeah, you have one somebody where you're gonna make fight, and me have one somebody where me are gonna make fight.
Alright.
Alright, so call me back tonight in the dog and tell me if you find a youth there, you know.
Alright.
Alright, cool. Alright, so him actually called upon the vlog. This was the plan. Him called upon the vlog and the ear will go on. Babe, this a record, cause I don't know if it's a record. Alright, so me and Francine both get ready right now because we're gonna go out. So when I fall back, I talk to them again. Alright, vloggers, it's a night now. I just reach home back. You already see me and Word Dog talk about the fight. Now that vlog when me a post, I just an update on the fight for tomorrow. You know, watch this now, I probably Saturday morning. And just know say Saturday me I go post a lot on my Instagram. I promote the fight. And if you want to forward that fight, I need a Fort Lauderdale. See the ticket, see the flyer here with the address and everything on the need. You see me? Sunday to keep 4 o'clock as you can see right there. So I'm going to beat up him. Hey, wait no man. Wait no man. So we just a forward off I road. I'm about to call it a night because it's 8 in the night. So we are journey again as me soon tomorrow. Probably Saturday I upload a vlog during the day. I don't know, but Saturday this I upload in the morning for sure. So make sure you know, like, subscribe, stay tuned for the boxing match. And thing. Tell a friend for tell a friend. I know someone are gonna ask me if it a go live. Yeah, we probably go live, but it better when you know that in a person. Trust me. We are planning a bag of things. Me get the venue. We are trying to get liquor there, the popcorn machine, all of them something. So I'm gonna look out for that. Stay tuned.
Me I try to elevate. Me really want to elevate up. Me I try to elevate. Me know me I go elevate up.